Agricultural machinery technology has significantly transformed the landscape of modern farming, facilitating operations and enhancing productivity. The advent of advanced machinery such as tractors, plows, and harvesters streamline tasks that were once labor-intensive and time-consuming. These innovations have enabled farmers to cultivate larger areas of land with reduced manual effort, thus increasing the overall efficiency of agricultural practices. Moreover, precision agriculture has emerged as a revolutionary approach, utilizing technologies such as GPS and satellite imagery to optimize field management. This allows farmers to apply inputs like fertilizers and pesticides more accurately, minimizing waste and maximizing yield quality. Consequently, this targeted approach not only improves crop output, but also enhances the nutritional value and quality of agricultural products. Additionally, the integration of automation and robotics in farming operations has further eased the burden on farmers by performing repetitive tasks with precision. Such technologies contribute to consistent harvesting and planting, thereby ensuring uniformity in crop quality. In summary, the advancements in agricultural machinery technology have substantially simplified farming operations, elevated production levels, and improved the quality of agricultural products, positioning farmers to meet the growing global demand for food more effectively.